In some more news now, the Supreme Court read the riot act to Telangana government over Hyderabad tree felling case. The Supreme Court has said that it is concerned with the damage that is being done to the environment and has asked questions to the Telangana government as to how it will restore 100 acres of land. Well, the Supreme Court has also said that it is shocked at the videos that show animals are looking for shelter. They were running helter-skelter. Herbivorous animals were running to seek shelter, and the court has made it clear to the Telangana government that not a single tree will be cut till the next hearing takes place. The court has asked the government to list the steps that have been taken to protect wildlife, and also wrapped the Telangana government saying that does its officers of the state want to go to a temporary prison if they violate the rules.
Telangana government has been given 4 weeks now to come back with a reply on how they are going to restore the status quo at the Kanche Gachibowli land, because the Supreme Court was quite scathing, asking what was the compelling hurry. They repeated that comment that they had made on the day that all the felling of the trees was stopped, and they said that the Chief Wildlife Warden must come up with what they are going to do in order to restore that 100 acres of land. Multiple comments that they made. One saying that the Central Empowered Committee, which was sent to Telangana to study what had happened there, had now given a very disturbing report. They said there is a mention of the land being mortgaged to a private party for 10,000 crore rupees. And in fact, the court commented saying that the Chief Secretary or the Telangana government in their report had not mentioned about this. Mr. Singhvi, arguing on behalf of the Telangana government, said that the actions of the Telangana government were bona fide, even though there may have been some errors. But the Supreme Court was not impressed with that and said that there is a 1996 order of the Supreme Court asking for trees not to be felled and for report to be given on the forest and forest-like lands, and that it was in a sense disturbing that this had been mortgaged and the private parties may start asserting their rights. So 3-4 other observations include expressing surprise or shock about seeing a video in which they say herbivorous animals are running and they seem to have been attacked by stray dogs, and therefore the order was to protect the wildlife there and also ensure that the green lung of the city was also protected. They mentioned that the officers here, including the Chief Secretary, could in fact go to a temporary prison in case there were violations of the orders of the High Court, and they asked how many trees had been felled without permission, and they said that there seems to be no protection for wildlife from stray dogs. That's a comment that was made by an advocate, to which the court had spoken about the surprise on seeing the video of herbivorous animals who had been in fact attacked by stray dogs. In this particular issue, the court also asked how the state had overcome the 1996 order and said that they could go to any extent using the powers under Article 142 to protect the environment and the ecology. So the next hearing to take place on the 15th of May.